Hi everyone! Welcome to the Makerspace with Miss Sugihara and Puffy! Hi class! We have a project for the Makerspace. Today I'm going to show you how to make a catapult. So let's get started. Here are the materials you will need. 10 popsicle sticks, a plastic spoon, and 3 rubber bands. You will also need some pom-poms or aluminum foil. Step 1. Leave out 1 popsicle stick. Stack the rest of the popsicle sticks together and wrap a rubber band tightly around one end. Step 2. Holding the end with the rubber band, slightly separate the bundle of sticks into two. 2 sticks in one group and 7 in the other. Now, slide another popsicle stick in between the 2 groups and perpendicular to them. Step 3. Bring the 2 groups of sticks back together and rubber band them together on the other end. At this point, it looks a bit like an airplane. Step 4. Slide the perpendicular stick to the center. Flip the catapult around so that the 7 sticks are on top. Then, place a plastic spoon on top of the perpendicular stick and rubber band the bottom of the spoon handle to the catapult. Now you're ready to play. You can make a ball using the aluminum foil, or you can use pom-poms. Place the object into the spoon, push the spoon down, and then release it. You can decorate the catapult if you'd like. Here's a challenge for you. How can you throw the ball farther? I want you to explore. Have fun creating. I'll see you next time.